thank you for taking the time to review EMF, Elements of Mathematics Foundations. This brief presentation will give you an overview of the EMF approach, as well as pointing out a few things to look for. You may notice that EMF course content does not resemble traditional school algebra, geometry, and pre-calculus material. It uses a modern mathematics approach. Specifically, the very first course, Operational Systems, introduces elementary group theory. It's followed by courses on other fundamental mathematical structures, such as sets, subsets, and tuples, mappings, and number systems. Rounding out the foundational topics are courses in probability and number theory. There are 3 courses that cover abstract algebra at about the level of a freshman math major, and they're followed by 2 courses on the algebra of real numbers, which cover topics that would be familiar to teachers of standard school algebra courses. Then there are 3 courses that cover geometry from an abstract algebraic point of view, again at about the level of a freshman math major. At this point, most of the topics in a standard pre-calculus class have been covered. The few that remain are dealt with in the final EMF course. EMF not only meets, but also exceeds both Common Core and state standards. Pre-algebra standards have been exhausted by the 7th EMF course, the Algebra 1 and 2 standards by the 14th course, Geometry by the 17th course, and the Pre-calculus standards by the last EMF course. To study for the standard end-of-course exams, students use the EMF supplements. These supplements contain practice exercises and tests. They also explain the differences between the modern mathematical terminology that's used in EMF and the traditional terminology that's used in the end-of-course exams. On your EMF homepage, you'll also find 2 readiness supplements. These optional courses are reviews of the key concepts required by the course that follows. Once again, we thank you for taking the time to review EMF and for considering EMF as part of your district's provision for your most talented students. If you have any questions, please contact us at schools@emfmath.com.